Herniated disc surgery. What's the recovery like? You know, people really ask me that a lot, and I'm particularly going to talk about lumbar disc surgery recovery, herniated discs in the low back, and what that's like. So when you have a herniated disc, you likely have a pinched nerve. As the disc ruptures, it goes into the nerve and pinches it. And herniated discs are easy to fix surgically. It's one of our more simple surgeries. There are some tricks to it, however. It can be a little complex in certain ways. But in general, it's a pretty easy surgery. Those are fixed with microsurgery, so a very small incision, 3/4 of an inch. And we go in and fish out the fragment. The fragment of disc will look like crab meat. The recovery after is about 4 days of being sore, and at 6 weeks, full exercise. You can drive and walk and do normal things in the meantime.